What's the meaning of communicator? Communicator. Communicator.
Communicator. Communicator. A communicator is someone who is skilled at transmitting information, either verbally or in writing, and who can convey this information in a clear and concise manner. They possess strong listening and speaking abilities, and they are able to tailor their communication style to fit the needs of their audience. Effective communicators are able to connect with others and build strong relationships, and they are often successful in both personal and professional settings. Overall, being a good communicator is an important skill that can help people succeed in many different areas of life.